Hey everyone! If you've ever felt weighed down or uncomfortable after a meal, you're not alone. Today, I've got a super light, nutritious recipe that's a real game changer for your digestion. And it's so easy. Start by finely chopping 3 to 4 leeks. Sauté them gently in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, just until they soften and release that amazing aroma. Then, pour in enough hot water to cover the leeks and toss in a teaspoon of salt. Let it simmer, low and slow, with the lid on. Once it's cooled, serve it up with a generous spoonful of homemade yogurt. This combo is a lifesaver, especially if you struggle with constipation. And here's a bonus tip. Every morning, before breakfast, sip half a glass of water mixed with about 2 teaspoons of honey. It's a wonderfully natural way to get things moving and support regularity. Simple, right? Give these a try and let me know if you feel that boost in your digestion. Sometimes it's the little habits that make the biggest difference.